Stop wasting $40 every season on toxic chemical foams that barely work. You are about to discover a hidden $2 backyard secret that can completely wipe out every single wasp and yellow jacket within a half-mile radius of your property. The mind-blowing part is that this exact method uses a clever biological loophole that makes destructive pests devour it instantly, while beautiful, beneficial honeybees will totally ignore it. It's pure science, not black magic. Professional exterminators use this precise system every day, but they will never advertise it because it turns a $300 service call into a pocket change DIY. Here are the 5 simple steps to reclaim your home permanently starting today. 1. The affordable eradication strategy and safe baiting mechanism. Many homeowners mistakenly believe that managing stinging pests requires exorbitant professional fees or continuous investment in expensive chemical sprays that only offer a temporary respite. In reality, you can systematically eliminate entire colonies of yellow jackets and wasps within a significant radius of your property for just a couple of dollars. The secret lies in understanding their foraging, psychology, and biological vulnerabilities. To achieve this, you simply need to source pure boric acid, an inexpensive white powder readily available at most local hardware shops, and a standard bottle of apple juice from a discount store. When you dissolve a couple of teaspoons of this powder into 2 cups of juice inside a large container, you create a lethal, slow-acting bait. Yellow jackets and wasps are aggressive scavengers, perpetually seeking carbohydrates and proteins, making the sweet scent of apple juice an irresistible attractant. Meanwhile, beneficial honeybees are structured foragers that rely on sophisticated directional communication, the famous waggle dance, to locate specific floral resources, meaning they completely ignore this setup. If you appreciate learning these smart, budget-friendly property maintenance tips that safeguard your family and protect beneficial pollinators, please take a quick second to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share more practical, insider knowledge. Once the scavenging pests consume this mixture, the boric acid acts as a devastating stomach poison and a desiccant, breaking down their digestive systems and exoskeletons. Because it does not kill them instantly, they safely transport the toxic formula back to their subterranean or aerial nests, effectively poisoning the queen and larvae, leading to total colony collapse within days. 2. Engineering the perfect, eco-friendly bait station. Creating the optimal distribution system for your homemade boric acid bait is just as crucial as mixing the formula itself, as improper deployment can render the solution ineffective. Instead of utilizing specialized equipment, you can repurpose ordinary aluminum soda cans to act as highly efficient, localized baiting stations. The core objective is to allow the target pest to access the sweet liquid without inadvertently drowning in it. If the wasps drown immediately upon contact, they will fail to return to their nests, thereby leaving the broader colony and the reproductive queen completely unharmed. To prevent this, you should only pour a minimal layer of the apple juice mixture into the very bottom of the can. Additionally, you must break a small wooden twig or stick in half and insert it into the opening of the can, creating an organic ramp that extends outward. This structural addition allows the incoming wasp to land safely, walk down into the vessel, consume the toxic bait, and fly back to their community unimpeded. These engineered cans should be strategically distributed around the outer perimeter of your residence, particularly beneath the architectural eaves, near suspected nesting zones, or high up where domestic pets cannot accidentally disturb them. Fortunately, boric acid is fundamentally non-toxic to mammals at these microscopic concentrations. A household dog or a curious child would need to ingest massive, concentrated tablespoons of the raw powder to experience any physiological symptoms. Therefore, when dissolved correctly within the bait, it remains a genuinely safe backyard solution for mammals while acting as an absolute multi-generational colony killer for invading insects. 3. The mechanical elimination of active nests via common household soap. While the slow-acting boric acid baiting system is incredibly effective for broad population control, it cannot immediately neutralize active, aggressive nests that are already physically attached to your residential structure. When faced with an immediate threat, you do not need to rely on synthetic chemical foams. Instead, you can leverage a brilliant mechanical solution using ordinary dish soap and water. By filling a standard industrial spray bottle with water and adding a concentrated, generous squirt of liquid dish soap, you create a highly effective contact pesticide. The underlying science behind this method relies on basic physics rather than toxic chemical reactions. Wasps possess a specialized, ultra thin lipid layer on their outer exoskeletons known as the epicuticle, which naturally repels moisture and seals vital internal fluids inside their bodies. When you drench an active nest with your soapy solution, the surfactants in the dish soap immediately break down the water's surface tension and dissolve this protective waxy epicuticle. Consequently, the soapy water floods their spiracles, which are the microscopic respiratory openings located along the lateral sides of their abdomens through which they breathe. Deprived of oxygen, the insects drown from the inside out almost instantaneously, dropping out of the air without the dramatic chemical resistance often seen with commercial sprays. For the best results, you must saturate the targeted nest thoroughly and maintain continuous pressure until every visible insect is neutralized. This approach is highly favored by professional exterminators on the job because it is incredibly cheap, universally accessible, and entirely safe for the surrounding environment. 4. Specialized neutralization techniques near electrical infrastructure. Despite the profound efficacy of the water and dish soap method, it comes with a strict, life-saving operational restriction regarding its application location. You must absolutely never deploy a liquid water spray anywhere near electrical fixtures, external lighting, breaker boxes, utility meters, or exposed architectural wiring. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and projecting a stream of liquid onto an active electrical component while standing on an elevated ladder is a recipe for catastrophic shock or severe falls. Every single summer season, numerous homeowners end up in emergency rooms with severe trauma because they overlook this fundamental safety hazard while battling a pest nest. If you discover a wasp colony nestled near any electrical hub, you must bypass the soap and water method entirely and utilize a specialized, professional-grade alternative known as PT Wasp Freeze. This particular commercial aerosol spray is engineered to be completely non-conductive, up to an astonishing 47,000 volts of electricity, guaranteeing total user safety around high-voltage residential areas. Beyond its exceptional electrical resistance, this product allows you to maintain a safe tactical distance of up to 15 feet away from the angry swarm. When you aim and discharge the nozzle, the specialized formula freezes and drops the target pest almost instantly upon physical contact. This rapid knockdown capability is significantly faster than domestic soap solutions and completely eliminates the dual dangers of insect stings and accidental electrocution. A single canister costs roughly $15, representing an excellent investment that typically lasts through multiple pest seasons. 5. Interrupting the pheromone cycle for permanent seasonal prevention. The absolute most critical phase of comprehensive pest management is the one that the vast majority of property owners completely overlook, which explains why they face identical insect infestations year after year. Wasps are biologically hardwired to return to the exact same nesting locations every spring because the physical remnants of their previous structures contain persistent chemical markers. Paper wasps secrete specialized pheromones from localized glands in their abdomens during the construction process, leave an enduring chemical trail on the wood or brick. These invisible pheromones communicate a clear message to future generations of fertile queens, indicating that the specific location is a proven, structurally sound, and safe environment for rearing a new colony. If you simply knock down an old nest with a broom and walk away, a newly emerged queen will effortlessly detect that residual scent trail next spring and rebuild her empire in the identical spot. To break this cyclical pattern permanently, you must treat the structural surfaces with a professional-grade waterproof insecticidal powder called Delta Dust. Using a specialized bulb duster or a long-reach cobweb brush, you should apply this powder into structural eaves, rafters, soffits, and dark architectural crevices. This unique dust remains active for up to 8 months outdoors, completely unaffected by heavy rain, wind, or snow. When a scouting queen lands on a treated surface, she collects the dust on her legs, self-grooms, and inadvertently destroys her developing colony from within. Applying this treatment once in early spring guarantees a pest-free property all year long.